Hey there folks, today's Monday, July 29th, and we're getting ready to go out to Oshkosh. We're in 150 Tango Hotel this time, and as with last year, I'm running a little behind, but this plane's a little faster, so hopefully we'll make up the time. Just loaded up the plane. I'm here with my buddy Steven here this time. Check it out. Hey Steven, how you doing?
Good.
You get ready to leave for Oshkosh?
Uh-huh.
Awesome. Cool. Alright, so we're in 150 Tango Hotel. We got it all loaded up with entirely too many bags, but we're within weight and balance, which doesn't look like it, but we are, because they weigh less than people. So that's it. I'll see you.
We're getting ready to depart for Youngstown, which is our first leg on our flight out to Oshkosh this year, much like last year. Only difference is you can tell this year, if you saw the last video, there's more sun, which is not a good thing. That means I'm an hour behind on my departure, so we'll see how this works out. We might end up shooting the visual, which is fine. We'll go the visual into Oshkosh if we have to. We would miss our IFR slot. So that's that, and weather en route to Youngstown is good. Yeah, weather en route to Muskegon is not as good. You've got some IFR conditions, but by the time we get there, it'll probably be better. Or at least that's the forecast. The area of low pressure that was causing havoc for us all day yesterday, which delayed our departure, moved up to the north as was forecast, even though it didn't look like it would, because it is very slow. That's basically it. So we're just waiting for our release out of New York, and then we'll be off. All right, talk to you later. Goodbye. Morristown Tower, Skyhawk 150 Tango Hotel, ready at 23 IFR.
Skyhawk 150 Tango Hotel, Morristown Tower, altimeter 3001, wind calm, runway 23, clear for takeoff.
2323, on full power. Engine instruments good. Airspeed's alive. RPM set. Boy, we were heavy.
So it's a 150 Tango Hotel, contact me departure.
We're at departure 150 Tango Hotel.
November 7, November Golf, climb and maintain 4,000. Traffic's at dash 8, going to pass over top of you from the south, leaving 4,000.
Alright, climbing 4,000, looking for the traffic, 7 November Golf. 150 Tango Hotel, 1,000 for 2,000.
150 Tango Hotel, New York departure, thank you. Ident, the altimeter 2999 at Newark.
Ident 2999.
Thank you, 150 Tango Hotel, your radar contact 2 south of, actually more miles south of Morristown, climb maintain 4,000.
Up to 4,000, 150 Tango Hotel.
Thank you, and American 28, if you're waiting to check in, thanks, your radar contact, turn right heading 280, climb and maintain 11,000.
Right to 280 and up to 11,000, American 2083.
Number 0 Tango Hotel, turn right on course to Solberg now.
Right direct Solberg, 150 Tango Hotel.
Thank you, Cactus 1032, contact departure 120.85.
385, Cactus 1032, good day, thanks.
254.
7 November Golf, thanks for the climb. Contact departure on 120.85, we'll see you.
2085, anytime, 7 November Golf. See ya.
See ya. 3,000 for 4,000. We're en route over to Youngstown now, and level 4,000 feet. And we're going to Sultan's Grove VOR right now, running 1 hour behind. So this is going to be a little tighter than even last year, but it is what it is.
40, just be advised, do the MEA and the MVA to the west here, by St. Thomas. I'm going to need to climb you here, but I can keep you at 4,000 here from another 20 miles or so. I'll get you a climb then, just be advised.
540, roger, sir.
I think he's going to say the same thing. Yeah.
Okay, sir, we're looking 3 kill.
Lima Sierra, you can proceed directly to State College Airport.
Direct State College, 7 Lima Sierra.
He was very busy on his co-pilot duties.
And 7 Delta Charlie, I'm showing that you wanted to do the GPS approach into State College.
We're currently
direct
Youngstown.
Within the clips coming out from the east side here. So I'll let you do that, but I want you to pull your seat back a little bit.
No,
I'll make
20
you a
to go.
to delay and have him go in.
Based on flight. And
let's pull the seat back.
KLM 94
we'll
breeze.
see when you get close to how the timing works out.
November 0 Tango Hotel, fly heading of 270 vectors, the visual approach runway 32.
270 on the heading, 150 Tango Hotel.
3000.
Out of 4 for 3, 150 Tango Hotel.
Bonanza 709er Mike Alpha, Youngstown, you on frequency?
Land the clouds.
Huh?
This is Ohio?
Yep.
Ohio?
Yep.
Wow. It's pretty beautiful in Ohio.
Cessna 0 Tango Hotel, turn right on taxiway Golf, right on Hotel, cross runway 23 to the ramp.
Right on Golf, right on Hotel, cross runway 23 to the ramp, 150 Tango Hotel.
Taxi clearance. 004 runway 32, taxi via Hotel, Foxtrot, hold and cross 23.
Check the line up. Wind is off the left. Engine instrument's good, RPM's good. Airspeed's alive. No problem with 10 degrees flaps. I can't hear you, you gotta move the mic closer.
Can I touch the clouds?
Can you touch the clouds?
Yeah, open the...
Oh, go ahead. Quick. Close the window. Turn the handle. Can you turn it? Yeah, they're fast, right? We're going really fast. Yeah, I know it doesn't seem like it, but at 8,000 feet, we're en route to Muskegon, Michigan right now. We're just, hold on, where are we at? In relation to cities, we're right over Cleveland. We're on the top of Cleveland, and that's funny. Can't see Cleveland. We're going to be in these clouds in a minute. Ground speed of 103, and we're direct Muskegon. So what I was just telling Steven was, it's always a good idea. Hold on, I'm going to turn it around. It's always a good idea, as they always teach us, right, to have a back-out plan. Always have, not perfect, but stop. Oh, let me turn off my radio here. As they always tell us, always have a backup plan. So, what I forgot to do, or what I guess I didn't do, is I didn't download the terminal procedures for Michigan, but for everywhere else I did, including, I have all the in-route charts, but I don't have the approach procedures. And with the weather the way it is, that would have been an issue. But, always have a backup plan. Print them out before I left. I'm glad I went through the trouble of going through and printing out multiple approaches for every airport, just in case, and staple them together nice.
Always have a backup plan.
That's right. And like the Boy Scouts say, what do the Boy Scouts say?
I don't know.
Always prepared. It's good to be prepared. At 8,000 for 6,000. $1,000 to go. I think we're going to be in these clouds the rest of the way.
I'm done.
today. We got plenty of days there.
Why?
Because we're gonna have plenty of time there. Trust me.
Are we gonna do the simulators?
Am I gonna what?
Are we gonna do the simulators?
Yeah, we'll do the simulators. Oshkosh at 100 knots seems to be my my thing. One day I'll be flying jets and stuff. Still in Canada over here. Just like last year, they vectored me up through Canada.
Yeah, we're going to Canada, and then we're gonna make one more stop, and then we're going over Lake Michigan.
Oh, that's right. And we got to put on all of our flotation gear, right?
Yeah.
Looks like the tank's even out. All right, see you guys.
Hi guys.
Say hi.
Hi.
How's the view?
Good.
Oh yeah.
We're going to clouds right now.
Yeah, we're in the clouds. They're pretty nice. They're not bad.
Cessna 0 Tango Hotel, fly heading 300.
Heading 300-150 Tango Hotel. Alright, time to get to work.
Alright, let's do this thing.
Let's do it. No, don't grab the plane. Sorry, YouTube people. I just did my vector descent.
Radar contact 5 miles south of White Cloud. Skyhawk 0 Tango Hotel, 7 miles from Padby, turn right heading 290, maintain 2,500 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 32 approach.
Maintain 2,500 until established, heading 290, clear for the ILS approach 150 Tango Hotel.
Skyhawk 150 Tango Hotel, Muskegon Tower, wind 270 at 11, runway 32, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 32, 150 Tango Hotel. Still not done. Now I'm done. It was windier than I thought. Muskegon Tower, Skyhawk 150 Tango Hotel, ready for departure, IFR runway 32.
Skyhawk 150 Tango Hotel, Muskegon Tower, roger, stand by.
Stand by, 150 Tango Hotel.
Skyhawk 150 Tango Hotel, Muskegon Tower, fly runway heading, join Victor 510 on course, runway 32, clear for takeoff.
Alright, clear for takeoff, runway 32, fly runway heading, join Victor 510 on course, 150 Tango Hotel. Runway's clear, runway's clear. Light crosswind off my right. Line up in check, we're rolling. Rolling check. 3-2, 3-2. We're good. Power set. Stop that, Steven.
Huh?
Stop that. Engine instrument's good, RPM's good, airspeed's alive. Wow, those 10 degrees flaps makes a difference. Huge difference in the climb out. Muskegon departure, Skyhawk 150 Tango Hotel, 1,904, 3,000.
Skyhawk 150 Tango Hotel, Muskegon approach. Christian Muskegon departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 8,000.
Up to 8,000, 150 Tango Hotel. Here we go, buddy. The big cross. Take a wild guess where we might be. Can't tell. Almost helps that you don't see. But you can see over here where the clouds break up. A lot of blue. Yeah, well, that's because we are pushed through VFR. And that's where we're at. Halfway spot. Actually better than halfway. And we're already cleared direct primo, which you'll start seeing us go off course. And that is Oshkosh. Oshkosh blurry. Oshkosh begosh. It was a hell of a run this time. I think next time we'll cut it up into 2 flights. What do you think, Steven? 2 flights? Yeah, I'm tired. My landings have sucked, but I'm tired, so oh well. I'm tired and the plane's heavy. I started using reduced fuel, but the biggest difference is I started using 10 degrees flaps for the takeoff, which made a huge difference on the climb, as you probably saw in the last one. One of the nice things about this plane is that it does have the autopilot, and just kicking the rudder here because it's a little out of trim. But it does have the autopilot, which is a huge workload, you know. It definitely helps with the workload. So far, knock on wood, I don't like to say anything until I see land again. I see land. Wow, this is much faster than it was at 5-4 Echo with the 40 plus knot headwinds. We're currently doing 106 on the ground and 120 in the air. So our trued out is 120. And we're running at a little richer peak, a little bit richer than peak than I would be over land, but I want to keep those cylinder head temperatures nice and low. The number 4 cylinder in this thing seems to be running a little hot, probably because it's the back of the engine, but I don't want to find out that there's something wrong with it when I'm over here. So, that being said, we are obviously prepared. Steven's playing music, he's the DJ right now. DJ Steven, how you doing, buddy? Alright. Steven's doing his thing. As you can tell, I'm not as enthusiastic as I normally am because I'm tired, but that's good. It'd be nice to get there and go from there. This has been weighing on my conscience for days or weeks with flying with Steven out here, so turned out to be a non-event. But just in case, we are prepared. So always be better to be prepared than not. Just like with our approach plate mix-up, which I've now downloaded. We turned around in record time at Muskegon. I am notoriously slow on my pre-flights and my loading, my GPS and all that stuff, but we landed, fueled, went to the bathroom, paid. It was important. Unless they didn't want us to pay, that would have been cool. No, but we paid and turned around and we were wheels up in about 15 minutes. That's pretty good for me. Oh no, I'm sorry. It's even better. It was like 10 minutes, but we had to wait 10 minutes. So that's that. So I'll talk to you later. I said Oshkosh. Cool. I won't feel good until I say Oshkosh Tower. And then I say Oshkosh Tower. I feel good. He's just happy to go fishing or something. He wants to go fishing. Right, Steven? Yeah. He wants to go fishing. I got the fishing poles. I got everything in the back. Everything. Alright.
And I can see land.
I see land. Land ahoy. Here we go. It wouldn't be a complete Oshkosh trip without Mike Bennett acting like, Mike Bennett's got to get back to the gym with extra thickness on my face. No, but land ahoy. I see land. That is a very welcome sight. Yes, it is. It is indeed. Is that a happy sight? Is that a welcome sight? Steven's playing a little hot in here. A little Nelly, hot in here. It mixes up. 1 minute, it's club music. Then it's heavy metal. Sort of like his dad. We mix it up. Get crazy. There's no one type of music. Now we're listening to electric relaxation. Kind of old school. From when I was a kid. You can't hear it, but we can. Oh, it's cool. I see I'm in a better mood already. I can see land. We land, I'm happy. I can land anywhere on land. When you land in the water, it's a crash. Time to prep for our approach. He's shooting the, we're going to be flying the RNAV runway 27 approach, Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Our ATIS is 125.9er, 125.9er, let's listen to it. Milwaukee, we're already with 127. No, we're not there yet. Oshkosh Tower 118.5, just in case we get the handoff.
AirVenture arrival information, Alpha 1853 Zulu weather, wind 250 at 3, visibility 10, sky condition clear. Temperature 21, dew point 13, the altimeter 3014.
Oshkosh altimeter 3015, expect visual approach, runway 27.
Alright, down 3015 and expect the visual runway 27 for 150 Tango Hotel. Have a nice day. Going down to 6,000. We're going to fly in clouds again. Yay! I like to fly in clouds.
Zero Tango Hotel, airport 10 to 11 o'clock, 13 miles.
Have the airport in sight.
Cessna Zero Tango Hotel, cleared visual approach runway 27, radar service terminated. Contact Oshkosh Tower 118.5, good day.
Over the tower, thank you for the service today, 150 Tango Hotel. Here's the good one.
Bakeport cleared land. Bakeport cleared land, 27.
Oshkosh Tower, Skyhawk 150 Tango Hotel on the visual 27.
157 Tango Hotel, report a 3-mile final.
That's 150 Tango Hotel, report 3-mile final, 150 Tango Hotel.
Zero Height Tango Hotel, can you increase your speed at all? Pick it up a little bit for us?
Yeah, I'm doing my best. I got it at 120 right now.
Okay.
I'll keep it going.
We're just trying to get the airport turned over for the air show, and we got to let it go at 2:30.
Yep, I'll go full throttle.
Thank you, sir.
No problem.
Oshkosh Tower, Fortress 17 November request. Fortress 17 November. What time does your wavered airspace start? At 14:30. Roger that, thank you.
The air boss will take the frequency in about 4.5 minutes.
150 Tango Hotel is 3-mile final.
This is 150 Tango Hotel, runway 27, cleared line.
Cleared line, runway 27. Be at the threshold in 2 minutes.
Pleasure.
You got plenty of time, sir. We appreciate you hustling up for us, so that was really nice of you.
No problem. We've been running late all day. Been rushing here from New Jersey.
Mike, visual 27.
Zero Charlie Mike, runway 27 left base. If you can, are you on 27 or 36, sir?
They gave us 27.
All right, sir. You see the shoreline that runs out to the west of the airport?
To the,
east of the airport, my other west.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, correct. To the east. Got it.
Okay, so you can just fly over that shoreline or out over the lake and enter a left base runway 27.
Anyway,
okay, they had told us a 5-mile left base. That's going to be tighter than that. Is that correct?
Yeah, you can fly it as tight as your little heart desires for a left base entry runway 27.
Very good. Left base 27, clear to land 276. Charlie Mike.
Ah, looks like a right crosswind. Dump the flaps. Little fast. she goes. Pedals in. Hard. Ah! What the heck is wrong with my landings today? Time.
Cessna 0 Charlie Mike, turn left in the grass. Of course, you make the 0 Tango Hotel left into the grass, and all of the flagmen, welcome to Oshkosh.
Left into the grass, follow the ground, flagman, 150 Tango Hotel. Yep, you got it.
Oshkosh Tower, have you got the airboss frequency?
Get down.
Stand by 1.
Are you on grass?
Citation on a 2-mile left base over the lake east of the tower.
Negative contact.
Number 2, clear to land.
Clear to land, 44.
Little forward when you get an opportunity, 126.6, airboss has it.
Roger that.
Chip.
Cross. I don't like what these guys are doing.
What did they do?
What the frick? No fucking way, I'm not going that way.
Alpha on south end of 27, just contact the airboss on 126.6.
You want me over to 126.6 for the Cessna over on Alpha and 927?
Jump lane runway 92, correction, runway 27, clear to land, the winds are calm.
27, clear land, jump lane.
And airboss, I was told to give you a call. Cessna's holding short on Alpha and 27.
Okay, you need to cross, or what are you doing?
That's affirmative. We're going to General Aviation Parking. Guy waved me over like he wanted me to cross the runway.
You going to General Aviation Parking?
That's affirmative.
You're over there on that side then. You don't need to cross. You don't need to cross at all.
I'm actually on the other side of the airport. The guy actually I'm looking right at Orion right now.
Cross without delay. Cross, let me know when you're clear.
Crossing runway 27.
Jump lane, call your base.
Wilco, jump lane.
And airboss, Cessna's clear of 27.
Cessna. Welcome to Oshkosh.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, who was that for mentor lead? Mentor lead is airboss out of here.
The airboss is the guy who's in charge of the air show, Steven. He runs the air show.
Jump lane, report on the ground, sir, and clear.
Wilco, jump lane.
Stay here. Airboss, it's mentor lead, go ahead. Yes, sir, we're on time of 47. It's 47 over the airport. Wilco.
Air Show.